How to create account on Bet365. So if you want to create an account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then in the search bar search for Bet365, and then here don't click on the first option, click on the second option which says www.bet365.com.au. So click on this, and then you can see this on your laptop. And then to create, all you have to do is on the upper right corner you will have join option. Click on join, and then to open an account you have to first enter your country of residence. So you can click on this bottom arrow, and then you can choose your country of residence. And after choosing your country of residence, you will have to enter your personal information. Like you have to enter your accurate information. Like first, it is asking for your title, like Mr., Mrs., and all that. After that, it is asking for your first name and then your surname. And after that, you will have to enter your birthday. So after choosing your birthday, here you will have your contact information. You have to enter your email address and then your phone number. And then on the bottom, you will have receive information on free bets and offers. So you can click on yes please, or you can also click on no if you don't want to receive any information. And then you have to enter your address, like your street or house number, and then your unit number. This is optional, so you can either enter this or not. And after that you will have your street name and then your post code. And after entering all of this information, if you scroll down, you will find create login. Here you have to enter your username, that must be at least 6 to 14 characters, and then you have to enter a password. So you have to enter a password, and then you have to set a deposit limit. You have to select a period within like every 24 hours or every 7 days or every 14 days, every 30 days, or no deposit limit. And after choosing that, you have to select amount. Here you will have amounts, and then here you will have a bonus code. So this is optional, you can either enter it or not. And then after entering all of this information from top to bottom, then you have to click on here, which is I am at least 18 years of age and I have read and accepted to agree to the terms and conditions, rules, privacy policy, cookies policy, and everything. And after that you can click on join bet365, and that's how you create your join 365 account. So that's it guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.